standard Netflix error on PlayStation 4. Just says this, press try again. Restarts, tries to load, says there's an error. Any focus? There we go. Yeah, I'll just keep doing that forever. But it seems as though if you go back, go to settings, focus RIP again, network, set up internet connection and just reset it up. I've got some gay settings. No offence was meant. So just do this. Lots of pressing X. Standard try hard, and internet told me to put those DNS settings to make everything better. Some people play with that, but it doesn't do anything. Test internet connection. Blah blah blah. Poverty download speed, whoopee. Press back, press back, press back, press back. Press the PS button or whatever. Oh well, look at that, straight in. What are the chances? Now I can watch Sons of Anarchy in peace. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.